Today's lesson. What's the difference between Aussies and herding dogs? Roo?
They herd sheep. I hunt vermin. Completely different career path.
Any overlap?
We're both smart. They just aim lower.
That's a bit harsh.
Sheep, darling.
Fair point. So what does an Aussie bring?
Fearless, agile, joyful, and a very firm opinion about the pace you're walking. Sometimes a little nudge is helpful.
Not all Aussies nudge our humans. I certainly don't.
I like that think of it more as motivational contact.